Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. It's late. It's really late, so I'm gonna be quiet on this video. Earlier today, I uploaded a video with this AKAI amplifier that I just got in that had a blown fuse. So on the video part one, when I put in a new fuse with the correct ends and all that, this one just blew it again. So this video, I don't know if I should call it part two, but it's a little update from earlier today. Well, guys, look at this. I have replaced oh, it's dark. Yeah, you can see, all right. I have replaced the fuse that blows over here, this one. And look what happens when I turn it on now. The fuse doesn't blow. As you can see here, the power is on and the fuse didn't blow. Now, on the right side here, that one just works. As you can see, it says 30 volts, but the fuse that blew this one, it says minus 30 volts. Well, I got a question again, because I am so surprised about the amount of help I have got in the first few hours on my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you for each and one of you. I didn't answer none of your comments, none of your mails, but I'm so thankful. I mean, few people has watched the part one from earlier today, about 80 people, and I got so many mails back and ideas and what to look for, and I did some of that stuff. I'm still wondering about this bridge rectifier, because when I have problems like that on my pinball machines, then usually it's always the bridge rectifiers and the biggest, not the biggest, but the capacitors that work with the bridge rectifiers. But I don't know where to get them yet. I don't know where you guys buy your parts, and know nothing yet. It's so new, first day. I know nothing about it, but I have found out. With the new fuse now, and my Amiga running, connected to the phono here from my Amiga 1200. I just connected these phones over here, and look what happens when I give it some volume. Can you see them? They're moving, guys. Okay, let's just load something else. 2 seconds. Something with much more music. 2 seconds, guys. Let's load International Karate. We all know that one. From 1988. I'm happy, but I'm not fully satisfied yet, because I have a slight problem still. There we go. IK plus. All right. Check this out, guys. Let's give it some more power here. I don't know if you can hear it. We got sound, and we got the right channel, left channel, center. We got loudness. They're just about to blow. As you can see, the others, they just turn off, turn off. Oh, guys, this is amazing for me. I love this. This is just so much the 80s for me. I mean, I love this. It's hard to explain, guys, but yeah. All right, and then we have this mono and stereo. Oh, I will just, I don't want to blow my headphones. Mono stereo also works. I don't know what this is. Tape monitor, it just removes everything. Also, bass. You can't hear it, but I can hear the difference. Oh my god, it works. Treble works fine. Let's load something else to say, guys. I love the music in Lotus. Lotus 2. Alright, let's load that one. But as you can see, the fuse does not blow. We get music out here. It sounds fine. Yeah, it's alright. It sounds fine. We have channel separations here. Oh man, it's nice. Alright, but my problem is, this should just be a short video, but I just love playing with these old retro stuff. So my problem, let me tell you what my problem is. I took off this PVC board. I didn't clean anything, no nothing. But I took it off and I looked at the bottom for burn connectors, for some juice from the capacitors, or corrosion of some kind. I just turned around to check that out, but you know what? It looks so nice under the playfield. Nothing is black, nothing is burned, nothing is melted. I couldn't see anything, no, nothing at all. So I just put everything back together. I wish I had one of these bridge rectifiers, then I would just replace it. Don't know which one it is and all that. Don't know how to measure it if it's dead. If you know, please tell me where to measure what. On pinball, I know which legs to measure, and sometimes most of the legs has continuity. Then I know that it's shortened, but I don't know the schematics of this one. Also, I'm used to have much bigger bridge rectifiers than this one. This is just some diodes. But here's the problem, guys. I was down in my cellar and I found this Philips, just a cheap speaker set. But when I put that on my new Sansui that I also bought today, which looks amazing. I mean, look at this, guys. Oh, I unplugged it, sorry. But yeah, it looks amazing, this one. But here's the thing, guys. When I plug these speakers, it burns out this fuse immediately. So something happens when I don't know where to measure which components that controls from here. I have to be careful. From here it says minus 30 volts to here, the speakers. I connected the right speaker only. As soon as I turned the amplifier on, then bam, this fuse, it just blows. I don't know if, I know the speaker works, it works with the Sansui. I don't know if maybe there's a short inside here. How to measure that, I have no idea. Again, first time ever looking at something like this. Oh man. Oh, this is just This is awesome, guys. Yeah. So this video, it wasn't intended to be 10 minutes long, but guys, I love this stuff. I don't know why, but it's just awesome. All right, so let's call this one part 2, guys. If you have any idea where to look at, because I was also afraid of this one giving wrong voltage, but I think it's okay because as you can hear from the phones, the sound works, almost everything works. And here, this one says plus 30 volts if you measure from this fuse, and this one says minus 30 volts. Maybe these big capacitors, they're making the trouble. Maybe it's there. Maybe it's something with my speaker output here. But if you have tried something like this, please write it down in the comments below. I mean, it could be awesome to make this one work, guys. Yeah. And again, thank you for all your help. It's just amazing. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye.